So let's go to Ark in Jacksonville. Good morning. Is it Art?
Hey, how you doing?
Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Yes. What's your first name?
Mark.
Mark. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. What can we do for you?
All right, my question is, actually, I don't have a will. I've been living with my girlfriend for about 11 years.
Mm-hmm.
We don't really get along too well. If I pass away without the will being made out to my brother, does she have any claim to it?
No. No, because she's not a spouse. A spouse has a spousal right to it. So she would actually have no rights. I mean, she might claim to... She lives in your home?
Yes, she does.
And you totally own the home?
Yes, I do. I'm making payments on it. I'm almost got it paid off. I charge her no rent. She pays none of the bills. But like I said, we have an off-again, on-again relationship. But we've been living together about 10 years.
Yeah, she might have to be evicted from the house, though. I mean, so whoever... You should have a will to name your brother the personal representative and leave everything to your brother if that's what you want to do.
Yeah, I know. I should. I just haven't gotten around to it. As most other stuff I seem to do. But that was one thing that was bothering me when she had a claim, because I know she's made a comment if I pass away that she would get the house. And I'm like, I need to find out about that.
No, she wouldn't, but you need to nail it down where she doesn't.
No, I guess that would also be if I just want to break up with her, she would also have no claim to the house then.
No, there's no common law marriage or anything like that in Florida. She might have a right. She might have to be evicted, which could be a more difficult process.
We almost had to go through an eviction process with her in one of our times. I went down to City Hall. They told me I'd have to give her a 15-day notice, and then after 15 days, if she didn't leave on her own, then I could file for an eviction, which could take anywhere from 6 to 8 weeks to get her out.
Yeah, so, you could, if you wanted to be nice, which it doesn't sound like you do too much, but if you wanted to be nice, you could give her, the right to live in the house for like 90 days after you die. And then there'd be an understanding she has time to relocate and so forth. I mean, you can put whatever time you want her to be in the house, you can allot for that in the will or trust or whatever you create.
Huh. Yeah, and to be honest with you, I would want to be nice. I wouldn't want my brother to just come in there because my brother and her do not get along. I wouldn't want my brother to come in there and just put her stuff out on the street. So, yeah, I would want to be nice. Even when I was at the process of evicting her earlier, I was still telling her, look, I'll give you like $3,000-$4,000 to help you out. I know you don't have a lot of money. I'm not trying to hurt you in any way, but we really don't get along very well.
Yeah. No, Mark, you can do both of those things in your will or trust. Your brother would be obligated to do that. And just to let you know, we do have an office in Jacksonville.
Oh yeah.
In fact, I'm supposed to be headed that way in the next day or two, but now I guess I'm going to be on hold because it looks like the storm's going to come right up through that way.
Right? We're all guessing.
We're all guessing. So I'm hoping it's going to veer out to the sea and not disturb anybody, so I can still come. But we do have an office there, and I do come every 2 weeks. And you might think about once you get your documents done, have your girlfriend come with you to the attorney's office to tell her exactly what she's going to get if you die, and then she'll know. Because then you might have to listen to too much conversation about it and why she wants more. But so maybe you have to decide whether that would be a good choice or not.
Understand.
All right.
Well, I appreciate your help. Thank you very much.
All right.